Open your Trust Wallet and copy the address. It depends on which blockchain you want to buy the tokens on. Now open your exchange and send some Ethereum ERC20, or BNB BEP20 to your Trust Wallet. As you can see, I've sent 2 Ethereum to my Trust Wallet. At the bottom of Trust Wallet menu, touch the dApps and type www.galaxynft360.com on the address bar. Now click on the Connect Wallet. You can also choose your blockchain at the top right, but I prefer to buy some token on Ethereum blockchain. It's up to you whether you choose Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum blockchain. You can choose GNFT ETH if you prefer to buy token with Ethereum, or you can choose GNFT/BNB if you want to buy token with BNB. Now click on Approve on Trust Wallet and that's it. You have successfully bought GNFT token.